Good morning, dear students. Eighth standard. We are going to complete the unit number 3 today. What is remaining in the unit number 3? Mystery Cat, the poem. Okay, with that we will complete. Mystery Cat is a poem. Okay, Macavity. What is the name? Macavity. Okay, the Mystery Cat. It's a poem by T.S. Eliot. T.S. Eliot. Okay, T.S. Eliot. Now, this is one of my favorite poet, T.S. Eliot, and I have read his many other poems also. He is a poet who has become very famous in his life with a poem that was called The West Land. The West Land. Always keep it in mind. The most famous poem by T.S. Eliot is The West Land. Wasted. Okay. So this is a poem which wondered all the whole world. People went on asking him what is the meaning of the poem. Okay. So what was his answer at that time when he was asked what is the meaning of the poem, what the West Land means actually, the poem, whole poem. He said to the interviewer, the one who asked him, that when I was writing this poem, only two people knew the meaning. And after completing the poem, now today, only one knows the meaning, and that is God knows. So, if you read his poems again and again, you come to some solution derived to some things, aspect that are different. If I read it, I will gather some other meaning. If somebody else will read, he will gather some other meaning. So, his poems, use of words, sentences and the way of talking about the things is such a different. I will better say that it is like an arrow which we can see that it is going, but we don't know which object it will hit now, where it will hit. So all can see that, and when people are saying going through his poems, they get their own desired meaning also. So it depends on the reader also what he and how he reads. See, this is a poem, a very simple poem given for 8th standard, but it has some kind of sense to be understood, and I will explain word to word meaning so that you, when you read it, you can have your own meaning, you can gather some meaning. Macavity is a mystery cat. Mystery cat, a mystery. The cat itself is a mystery. Okay, he is called the hidden paw. That Macavity is called as the hidden paw. Hidden paw. The term how it is used, hidden paw. Hidden paw is a phrase to show that some proofs are there that who might have done, but that category, who is the person who has done. By the paw it is understood it is a cat's paw, but which cat? That is Macavity. Okay, see, for he is the master criminal who can defy the law. He is the master of the criminal who can defeat law even. There are laws, there are rules, police and everything made, but mystery cannot be found. Such a criminal that on the crime, it means somebody is killed somewhere. What the police and law goes on doing? Finding the truth. Okay, footprints, proofs. But McCavity is such expert at master of criminal that it can defy the law. The proofs are not there. He is the bafflement of Scotland, England police. Okay, he is the bafflement of Scotland. Bafflement, a kind of stamp of losing or defeating. It is said that in a way sometimes that he has not only done, he has done everything only except this, right, except this. So, like this, Scotland police is very famous for winning, but in the case of McCavity, they are bafflement. They are only baffling over here and there. They are only searching and searching and searching, but not getting it. And the Flying Scots despair. Flying Scots, you see, a few years before it came in India, the Flying Scots. Okay, they aimlessly they go and roam in the city anywhere. They are given the permit. They are given the permit. When I was there in Pune 2001, it was started recently. So they were Flying Scots. They were given bikes and all. They can go in any place, anywhere in the city, on the roads. And in the emergency, the police used to call that this place we have emergency. So the nearest cop used to reach there. So flying squads were useful so that the criminal scenes can be reached very soon after the crime. So that was the aim. But even if the flying squads are searching all around the cities and crime places, they are reaching as fast as they can, but it is their despair. They never paired. They never saw them. They never came in contact, this flying squad and the McCavity. That means they could not find McCavity. For when they reach the scene of crime, McCavity is not there, and whenever the flying squads are reaching, McCavity is not there. See this word despair, pair and despair, pair and despair. You are using it in the mobile, connecting Bluetooth or hotspot or whatever it is, pairing the device, right? He has used this word here. I have seen or I have heard many teachers translating this word or this poem when they are teaching. What do? They say that despair, the despair of the flying squad. That means the defeat of the flying squad. It's not the defeat of the flying squad. This line, Scotland, what it is? Scotland Yard and flying squad. The bafflement and despair, these two words, bafflement and despair. Bafflement is also not defeat. Bafflement means baffling, है ना? अंधेरा है, आपको कुछ दिखाई नहीं देता है, you baffled on the things, क्या है, क्या है, क्या है. So you don't know what you are searching. That is baffling. So this despair means they are reaching there in search of it, but they never saw it. Right? So it is wrongly interpreted by many teachers I have seen. It has only a simple meaning, very simple meaning, that is the Scotland Yard police and the flying squad are always on its chase, means they are waiting. They also know they want to catch the McCavity. They want to catch McCavity. They are waiting, but every time they are failing. Every time they are reaching, they are not able to see. Does it mean they are failed? No, they are ready for the next this thing, because once you are failed, you don't go for that. They are ready for next action. So what is McCavity? McCavity, there is no one like McCavity. First line. McCavity, there is no one like McCavity. McCavity is such a thing, there is no one like McCavity. Or maybe there is no McCavity. What the poet wants to say? He has broken every human law. Every human law has been broken by McCavity. It's a cat. Do we apply human law on the cats? But still the poet says every human law is broken by McCavity. He breaks the law of gravity also. My God. Sure, doesn't it? The cats are jumping high, and they come on running and go on jumping. They climb the walls. You know, there was a Hollywood film also. A lady turns into a cat, and she got the ability of jumping and flying or running like cat. So what is the ability of the cat? That it can jump the highest and can climb the straight buildings also. So that is why he wants to say that breaking the gravity law. Is it breaking the gravity law? No, it has the skill of jumping against the gravity. His powers of levitation would make a fakir stare. Oh my God! So see, he has got the power of levitation to jump. Have you seen a cat jumping? Sometimes a cat is in the air, floating in the air, and in the air only it changes its direction. In the air only it changes its direction, gliding, levitation. So floating in the air without the support, it jumps, and it would make a fakir stare. It would make a fakir stare. Fakir? What is a fakir? And staring. And this levitation art of gliding is such that it will make everyone stare at it. Everyone stare at it. McCavity is the name of the cat, may not be in India, right? McCavity is the name of the cat and may not be in the India. Is it possible? Is it possible that this cat, this name of the cat, fakir, is in India? No. Can the name be possible in some Muslim country? No. Then, so what it is, what I want to say, that this levitation make a fakir stare. Fakir is a beggar. Fakir, or in broad sense, a person who is always moving one place to another place, that will keep on looking at the cat. So cat is from Scotland Yard, England. Have the fakir went there. This is T.S.A. Light. This is T.S.A. Light. He uses the words and symbolizes, mixing all over the world in such a way you do not understand the setting, what setting it is, whether it is a poem in England, whether it is a poem in India, whether it is a poem in Muslim country, whether it is a poem in some other country. What he wants to say. Is the McCavity present there and here also? See. And when you reach the scene of crime, McCavity is not there. How is it possible? Every crime can be possibly searched, surely, and it has been proved in the history. Only a few mysteries are left how it has happened, but there are guessings about how it happened and how it were done. The mysterious things or theft, those who were mysteriously did some crime, that is even solved, right? There are very few great mysteries. And this cat, how is it possible? Every time it is breaking law, every time it is at the crime scene, and it does not it leaves before you come. So it is merely the imagination of the poet, what he wants to say. You may seek him in the basement, you may look up in the air. You will try to see in the basement, you will also try to look up the air, everywhere in the house or at the crime scene. But I tell you once and once again, McCavity is not there. I will tell you, repeat you, McCavity you will not find, because the crime is done. and McCavity cavity is gone. So what is back cavity? Is it a cat? Is it a living thing, non-living thing? What it is? Or is it a talking about some bad quality that presents in the criminal? What it is talking? McCavity is a ginger cat. He is very tall. Okay, see, the cat is very tall and thin. Cats are tall and thin according to its height. Okay, according to its height. Cats in their category, this cat is taller and thin, not tall than the human beings. Okay. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in, and you will know him. If you have seen, his eyes are sunken. Nobody has seen McCavity. Only T.S. Eliot has seen McCavity. How is T.S. Eliot a crime partner with McCavity? He is describing about the eyes of the McCavity, sunken, deep, red. The eyes are sunken, deep and dark. Who has seen? T.S. Eliot. The Scotland police cannot find. The flying squad of England cannot find. Fakir will keep on staring. If the cat goes from his sight, he will not even come to know what it is, what happened. It works against the gravity. Who knows all this? T.S. Eliot. Not you and not me and not the Scotland police can see. So, why I am telling this? Because there is a word you see, flying squad despair, they have never seen, and the Scotland Yard is in bafflement, they never could find him. But he knows that his eyes are sunken. His brow is deeply lined with thought, his head is highly domed. His eyebrow is deeply lined with thoughts, black with thoughts, means criminal thoughts are there, blackish eyebrow, and the head is domed, highly domed, bigger in size. We have domes in the houses or in the schools. Our school also has a big dome. You have seen. You go there and to have assembly in the morning. It's a big dome. Empty, vacant, higher place, higher altitude. So, it's like an open place. There, the eyebrows are black with the thought, criminal thought, and the head is high, means feeling proud to do that. This much details T.S. Eliot know about McCavity, not the Scotland Yard police. His coat is dusty from neglect. The coat is neglected, means not paid more attention, so it is dirty. His whiskers are uncombed. Whiskers, moustache. The hairs on the beard or moustache, they are uncombed, not combing. Criminal is not combing. T.S. Eliot is expecting to comb the hairs of the cat, McCavity. That is a criminal cat. He sways his head from side to side. Sways, swing. When walking, swings. Okay, head from side to side, with movements like a snake. Snake is moving like this. So same this, like a see, he knows everything. And when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. And when you think that a cat is sleeping, that means it is about the poet knows. The poet has experimented all this. He is telling you only. He knows that you have never seen. But when the cat is sleeping, when you feel that McCavity is sleeping, it is not. It is wide awake. It's only acting to sleep. McCavity, there is no one like McCavity. Again, McCavity, there is no one like McCavity. Now there 2 times it is used. With a comma it is used. See, there's again a comma. You need to understand the grammatical features. What grammatical features? If I want to say something, to refer someone, Raju, I am using the noun. Okay? Raju, he is very sharp. Very sharp. Raju, he is very sharp. McCavity, there's no one like this. Means he himself is asking like this. What do you say? If you go somewhere and you ask an address to someone and the person asks, what do you said? Which mohalla? There's no mohalla like this. There's no gully like this. What person, what name you said? Acha. There's no person like this. So he'll utter twice. And then he'll answer, there's no one like this. If there is no McCavity, then what he is describing about McCavity? For he is feigned and feline shape, and he is feigned devil, and feline, feline like a cat, like a cat. Feline shape. Feline is a word generally used about panthers, cheetahs. Okay, their shapes are feline. They are made to run. They are made to jump. They are made to jump high. They are made to run faster. Okay, their shape is feline. So their shape, feline shape. A monster of depravity. A monster of depravity. Deprived, to kept away. He is a monster of depravity, to keep away the things, not to let happen the things or make the things without someone's knowledge, away from someone's knowledge. So deprived, like corruption, the simplest meaning, nobody will come to know. Deprived, cheating. You may meet him in a by street, you may see him in the square, but when a crime is discovered, then McCavity is not there. What McCavity is there then? If the crime is done, McCavity leaves. Once the crime is done, McCavity leaves. The McCavity is not there. But you will find it by the street and see him in square. You see what he may be talking of, that there is a McCavity in you and me and all. And that McCavity makes us to commit the crime in the square and in the street. We are there. See, these streets we are, how much time we are using to travel from one place to another place. That is why the streets are used, right? So we are on that street for a long time maybe, but for long distance. At one place we may be there for 2 minutes, 5 minutes. ट्रैफिक जाम लग जाता है, तो हम वहाँ पे जब तक ट्रैफिक है 2 मिनट्स का, 3 मिनट्स का, तब तक रुकते हैं. उसमें भी 2 लोग झगड़ा कर लेते हैं. That is McCavity. And once something is happened, एक बार झगड़ा लगा दिया, McCavity चला गया. The art, the skill, the bad thing that is there in you and me may be the McCavity, so we cannot see it. We have never came across. The police cannot find it. The one who is the culprit, that is the McCavity, the police could not find it. This is the poem by T.S. Eliot. So I am sending you this summary. I am sending you the solution. Go through it, find it out what actually is the poem Mystery Cat. Okay, good day.